2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. With less than 24,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.